Here we are at Thetford Forest. Woo! And that's about as far as we're fucking getting, because my bloody bikes won't work. Which we did know last night, but we took a chance on it, and it's her fault really. Too eager to come.
Story of my life!
So we'll try again next time. Take 2, Thetford. Yeah, we turned up here the other week and we had a little problem with the fuse. So I can tell you that don't ever try and change the fuse when it's a spare one.
I wouldn't even fucking go there. Fucking take it to the grave and don't tell anyone.
No, people have got to learn. If I'd have seen it,
I took it in your eulogy.
Yeah, I was trying to change I was checking the fuse and it was a spare one, not the bloody one that was in the box where the fuse was mounted. Anyway, Thetford, take 2. First bit of off-road for Thetford. Oh, I do like the whoops in Thetford. 6.68, start of a speeding zone. Oh shit. So it got me speeding there and I've not entered it yet. Oh, I have. Oh. We sliding?
Yeah.
It's slippy, isn't it?
I was imagining it so bad.
Yeah, my back end was all over the place.
Yeah, that innit? You think it's just going. Yeah.
Fucking hell. Shit me up. Speed zone end. Yeah, so what I was doing last week, a fortnight ago, was taking the spare fuse out and checking that. And I didn't realise that the fuse was inside the box where the spare fuse was mounted. And I drove all the way home, 187 miles, after having it in my hand. But at least you can see the whoops. Ooh, it's so slippy. Not quite in my rhythm yet. Even though this screen is right in front of my face, I just don't feel I can take my eyes off the track. So we've entered, I think it's the ACU Rally Championships track and trail event. We've got into rounds 3 and 4. 10:29, 10:96 straight on. Yeah. That's down in Devon later on in the year. And you watch the videos and you think, oh yeah, I could do that. Until you get out on this sort of stuff and think, whoo, can I do that? Speed some of them lads go at. So that'd be interesting to give that event a go. I'm excited for it to get on these whoops. Rutsy bumpsy. Ooh, you missed it. You missed it. Just no time to sit down. Ooh. It's fucking hell, get your weight back. Get your weight back. Don't like it. I don't like it. Oh shit. No. My brain's telling me no. My body's telling me yes, but my head's saying no. What's that song? Fucking hell. Get your weight back and your speed up. It's fucking hard, isn't it?
Yeah, fucking.
Commit. But when your front's all over the place.
What's up? My baby bike's dying, but it's not. It's just all over the fucking
place. Yeah, this is great. Fast and loose. Fucking hell, it's deep, this sand. Just let the front do what it wants to do. Oh, indicator on lock. Oh, they always get told off for that. This is one of the best roadbook rallies for me. Probably haven't got much to say, but you're busy concentrating. Because the bloody holes come up, the ground's soft, 73.34 off to the left. Yeah, it's bloody fantastic, this one. This is probably the most off-road out of any of the road books. With a variety of terrains from this slippy shit. Right, hold on. Can't be anything different, can it? Got to keep going straight forward till there's at least an option. I haven't been wearing my armour, but I've put it on for this one because you just never know when you're just going to slam into the ground. I've still got road pressure, so I don't know what's the best pressure to use for a job like this. I know it's all straight, but oh yeah, frigger. Right, my friggin' eyes. You can hear it digging in. And that's the front end digging, not the bloody rear. Everything's working here. Knees, arms, elbows, teeth. To bury my arse into that then. Whoa, that was sideways. We're not going fast enough really to warrant bouncing across the top, so I haven't got the skill for that either. Oh, what fun it is with roses open sleigh, laughing all the way, ha ha ha! That bike of hers is soaking it up better than mine, I think. Oh shit. I'm getting a bit of whiskey throttle because we've got tired arms. Hey! Yeah, it's a very fast track this, so we're already 100k in, and it's only bloody 11 o'clock. So if we've got another, we'll be done by 1, I would have thought. 9770 petrol station. Yeah, so you can soon be done. Whereas other ones, like Yorkshire, it's up, down, uphill and down dale, and you've got bloody loads of gates to do. So it just takes a bit longer. Ship ahoy! Alright. Hey up! Oh, fucking hell! This is weird with all the little roots coming through, very slippy. And you just instant traction. Oh, can you imagine having the skill and the setup to be able to just blat along them? I'd like to spend a couple of weekends down here on the trot and just get a bit more comfortable with it. 101.47. 102.81. Yeah, that came everywhere. That was a cum shot surprise. Oh, it's scary when it just digs in that little bit. She's lucky that weren't that bloody deep there, didn't she? I can only assume it's straight on, it didn't tell me to do otherwise. She got me back! And again, there you go. Somebody commented on the video saying I was mean for splashing her in the Lake District. Well, it works both ways. Like I said, rookie error. So that shop there last year is where I conked out with my device on here, and I was absolutely stuck. And since then I've got all this navigation stuff sorted and trusted. I do carry a spare just in case. Oh, ooh. Anyway, 107.98. Oh, that blondie's put me off a little bit. Yeah, so what a difference a year makes, eh? I've got all that sorted. So last year was a bit of a trial year doing this for me, and this year is my proper, gonna give it a proper bash. 107.98. It's not there, is it? .56. Yeah, and then if I do it next year, I shall really go all out in trying to get the scoring as well. Yeah, this tablet with the RAM mount setup has worked superb for me. It's very good. Nice little bridge over this canal.
Wow.
This is where we should have been.
Hey?
This is where we should have been. Cold with them big open fields, innit? Yeah, it's done well, hasn't it?
Well, it's going to be any second, I think.
What, on fuel?
Yeah.
No, is it heck? Squirrel through. Yeah, it was cold along there with the open fields. Blooming heck. Need more of this stuff to keep you warm and interested. Cracking route though, good route. We're nearly back now. So we're just coming into the finish now. 149.35. Just caught the rain, but we have just jet washed the bikes off. Yeah, good route. Last 20k was a bit cold. 149.35. $149.35. Yeah, Thetford done. Hey.